Name's Brian Paxton. Owned this car for over 50 years. Did some touring with it, used it for work, and then laid it up with intentions of doing a full overhaul. Bought various parts for it, but work has always been priority, and unfortunately it just got left. So it's been dry stored for over 30 years, needing now total renovation.
So when did you buy the car, Brian?
1978, I think. I'm registered in the logbook, which is the old green logbook, which I still have. It was registered in Basingstoke, and then I moved to Hallowington, and then basically to the Cotswolds.
And since you've had the car, obviously, when you had it, obviously that time ago, have you done much to the car at all in the time?
At some stage, I did replace some wings. I did put a new crankshaft in. The crankshafts went. I had to put another crankshaft in. New clutch. Basically, it's got overdrive, so that all used to work.
So, Brian, does it come with any bits and pieces in the car?
There's a new exhaust system, which is a bit of rust, but I'm sure it's serviceable. There's a new set of piston aligners. There's some brake parts, master cylinder, clutch or brake master cylinder, some wheel cylinders, a spare rear axle, and a few other minor parts that I'll hunt out.
Does it come with things like the hardtop and everything as well?
Yeah, well, it's got a hardtop, but it needs replacing with the Perspex inset on it, basically. But I did purchase many years ago some tonneau covers for the car.
So with the car itself, are you sad to see it go?
Definitely. It's got a history with me, but I've got to the age now that climbing underneath cars and doing repairs, I'm getting too old, basically.
So you're looking forward to it going to a good home?
I want somebody that is going to cherish it and bring it back, and hopefully take me out for a ride in it when it's finished.
Brilliant. Thanks, Brian. That's great. Thank you very much. Thanks.
You.